week 7 monologue for WT4028, and it's being recorded on re-recorded on week 8 after getting my microphone working. So just looking at my video on YouTube class, I kind of remember the elements that I was going through that I talked through last week, and they didn't come out in the YouTube video. So the first thing I brought up was after the lecture on Thursday was the Techno Teachers guidebook we were shown by Keelan in the lecture. This is a very useful textbook or guidebook, I feel, especially here. This kind of thing I thought was very interesting as I'm going forward, participating in construction studies teaching. So even on my own placement, I've seen a lot of this. I've seen the teacher, cooperating teacher, moving towards, and I gave a lot of help with the projects, moving towards design based in terms of construction of houses and architecture kind of models. In my time, or when I was in school, a lot of us kind of focused on the furniture aspect of the project in Leaving Cert. So it's kind of nice to see the move away. You can even see here the little figures about the actual new technologies there, 2%. Like that'd be a good idea there for people to kind of focus on the construction side of it. My monologue last week also focused a lot on the actual closure of UL and what this meant for me in terms of my project and this module and how I can progress in this module. Doing the portfolio is quite easy, I feel, because we've had the weekly submissions and week 9 is another submission, so you can keep tipping away with that, really, to be honest. The hardest thing really I'm kind of worried about was the construction of SolidWorks, my project on SolidWorks. I'd be quite good in SolidWorks if I'm honest. I had completed DCG in 5th and 6th year in secondary school and completed the course through UL. A lot of SolidWorks. I use a lot of SolidWorks. I kind of like the program, to be honest. I prefer it than AutoCAD or any other kind of CAD or drafting program. I was just looking on YouTube then, kind of, because I felt this would be the hardest part of the hardest component of my project to draw was the coil spring and shock that I'm incorporating in. So just simple Google on YouTube, simple search on YouTube, and I came up with views. And none of these is the actual one like mine, but that's okay. Once I have the video kind of showing me basics to follow, I can modify this. I trust in my own ability to be able to modify this to what I want. So that's basically my week 7 monologue for WT4028.